Okay, hi mabuhay. Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, I'm supposed to go back to work like in a few days time, and my makeup brushes are like dirty. I haven't washed them for quite some time. So we're going to try and use this UA makeup brush cleaner and dryer. So if you want to wash my makeup brushes with me, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. I know you're supposed to wash your brushes at least once a week, but I've been lazy. I was not able to clean my brushes. So I got this as a free gift from one of the L'Oreal shampoo sets. It's New Year's Eve. Let's do this. So once you open it up, but I think when I checked this particular brand, it's around $30 if you want to purchase it, but I got it free. So let's see if it's going to do the job. It says that clean and dry makeup brushes in seconds. It's portable, it's electronic, automatic. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. You do get this like cleaning. I think this is where you put the water in. So what is this supposed to be? The bowl. Okay. Oh, you have to twist it. And then inside is you do get this you call it colors. I think you use this to like when you want to put your brushes, see whether it's going to fit or not. So you do get 8 of them. You get the spindle. Oh, you do get the base. This is where you're going to like, there's this hole there, then you just, so you can keep it like this. Base. And there's this bag with, oh, this is the spindle. Yeah. So this is the spindle, I guess, or the device, the cleaner. And what's inside? The user manual. It's in English, but I'm not wearing my glasses, so I can't even see. Okay, so we need 2 AA batteries. So positive. And then positive. Place it. So start. Okay. And then the instruction did say okay, so here is just a plastic container. I have my water. I think I should put the camera lower so you can actually see and not see my face. Give me a moment. Okay, I hope this is good enough. Okay. So this is the container, my brushes. It did say put water. Okay, I guess that's enough water. And then soap. I usually use like baby soap to clean my brushes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope it's Okay, and then this is what you actually call the colors. So let's try. Okay. You see this brush? It's dirty. So let's put the spinner inside. How do you put it? Okay. Okay, you don't need to press it like hardest press, then you would see that. Okay. Um, let's remove all. Oh, you can't see. Nope. 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 This is good. No. So this has a pointed end, and see where. Okay. This is good. Okay. Then connect it. Okay, that's tight and nice. Let's put it on the soap. Then up. Then let's see. Oh, it fell. Okay, one more time. Up. And okay, first try. Let's see if I do it like this. I think I need to get another. Yeah, hold on. Okay, so this is how the brush looks like after running it through the soap and water. But I guess we need to like rinse it. It's already like almost dry. So I'll dip it in like just clean water and see what's going to happen. Okay, I'm back, and this is the clean. I've cleaned it with soap, water, and scrub it using this brush cleaner. So let's put it back and dry it up. So press. It off. See? This is how a clean brush looks like. Can you see that? It does vibrate. Okay, let's switch it off and see. Okay, when it comes to eyeshadow brushes, it's not so bad. Okay, I'll continue washing my brushes and I'll get back to you to give my final thoughts. 41 years later. Okay, I've already cleaned my brushes the normal way. I did like soap and water, and then I either brush it through in here, or I use my palm in circular motions. Okay, my thoughts. You can use this to actually rinse your brushes after you wash them with soap and water, and then you can also use it to dry your brushes. But having said that, it's true, it would take like a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the how dense your brushes are and how small. Like for eyeshadow brushes, confirm less than a minute you'll be able to dry your brushes. But for face brushes, yeah, it's like 1 to 3 minutes. um it doesn't dry completely, but dry enough that you can still, how do you say it, like put it back to its proper shape and then just let it air dry. You don't need to lay it on the table. You can just put it back to your brush holder. It doesn't lose its shape because you can always just arrange it and put it back. Will I use it again? I'm not so sure because I can't. If you have time while you're drying your brushes, because you're just like holding to it and not doing anything. So yeah, and I just realized I forgot to switch on the lights. Okay, never mind. You can still see me. If you like this type of videos wherein I do try like gadgets, I guess, please give this video a big thumbs up. And maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone. Bye!